Hello, welcome once again. So we finally concluded the installation of 5 kilowatt inverter. As you can see, 5 kilowatt, that is 5 kVA inverter and 5 kilowatt lithium batteries. So this is Felicity brand. If you look at this, you can actually see that it is a Felicity brand, and this is the brand too. Why do we choose Felicity brand? I'll be revealing them in my next video. All you need to do is to keep on watch this video to the end and get the details of all you need to be a pro in solar installation. In the same way, I want to equally give you the descriptions of the material we use. Why do we choose 5 kVA and 5 kilowatt hour? This system is meant to power the entire flat, that is having our fridge on, AC on, fans, electric washing machine. Then we have other appliances that it can actually carry, like the lighting points. And what we have every device and all the appliances in the house is meant to be controlled by this. We actually use 14 pieces of 300 watt solar panel for a reason. 7 in series and the other 7 in series, and after that we channel them down to the inverter, because this is hybrid system. The hybrid system in such a way that you have internal charge controller, and the charge controller is 120 amps. That is the rating, meaning we can go off grid, allowing the solar panel to take control of all our energy as required. So we are trying to generate maximum of, at least minimum per se, minimum of 600 kilowatt per hour. So that is why we're able to do our calculations and we boil it down that this system can serve. I will take my time to show you that the system has been turned on. Looking at this, it is already on, and we have the output here. Because of the weather, now it is night, but in the previous time it was a day. The solar panel was indicating, but now it is night 11, which means it has disengaged the solar panel and the battery has switched over as bypass to be active and be sustaining this house till morning. So would you like to know more about this, or probably you wish to have something like this, or an installer that can give you a perfect installations with efficiency and also in well executed projects? Kindly click on the subscription button or contact us and have yours. See you in my next video, as I'll be giving you more details of higher capacities. We deal with every brand and we have a lot of things figured out for you. See you in my next video.